Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Mikayla and I will be shooting with Wisteria. If you guys follow me, you know that I shoot with her all the time and she's amazing.
Hey guys, I'm Mikayla and I'm a Portland-based photographer.
Today we are in Skamania, Washington at the Columbia River Gorge shooting, and
we're gonna go with a long lacy skirt, and then I brought a white blouse, and then I brought tall hunter boots.
I will be shooting with a Canon R5 and a 28 to 70mm 2.0 lens. And then I also have a lens filter on to kind of make the photos look a little dreamy. Mikayla, what's your setup?
Oh, I'm using the Canon 5D Mark III with the Canon 35 1.4 with a little filter as well. This lighting is incredible.
I know. But we're at the Columbia River Gorge. Literally looks so twilighty. I mean, they did film out here, but like, oh my gosh.
We are in twilight.
Literally in twilight, and it's raining too, because Washington. But okay, should we get started?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, got the umbrella. So none of us have been here before. Oh, it's so blurry. None of us have been here before, but we were supposed to shoot at another location until a bunch of photographers trashed it. So if you're one of those photographers, shame on you.
Shame. Shame.
So I went on Google Earth, quickly resolved the situation, and now we're here. We're gonna go down this little trail. And Wisteria is my little umbrella today.
I'm the assistant.
She's the assistant and model. So I don't really know how she's gonna assist while modeling. But bringing you all with us.
It's cold. Hey everyone. So rainy.
It's a little rainy.
What do we do? This lighting is so incredible though. Wow.
This is actually our photo shoot here.
Yes. Yes. We're good. Yes. Your go-to pose.
Okay. Are you wanting me to put the umbrella?
No, use it. In the shoot.
I feel like I'm in Mary Poppins.
I don't know why people hate on umbrellas in Oregon, because they're the most useful
we're
thing
in
you
Washington.
could ever have.
Let me swim across
We're
the
in
direction.
Washington.
Okay.
That's Oregon. We're in Washington.
Okay, ready?
Okay, yes. You want to shoot with a black
so much
camera? Here you go. When you record. Wait. I do like this. Yes. Yes, yes. So, yeah, kind of give me a little split. Again. Yeah, like that. Keep going. One more time. Yeah. One more time. Perfect. Throw it out. Yeah. Yeah, same kind of thing, just throw it out. Yes. Yeah. Can do that and then kind of go to the other side and do it the yeah. Cool, dude. Whoa, that's cute. Wow. Hold that. Yes. I'm just gonna keep. Oh, yes. Kind of like lean forward a little bit. Yeah.
Literally stunning.
That's so good. Whoa. Perfect.
We should do a detail shot of the boots on the candy.
Yes. Let me get up on this tree. Try to like just look like up to the sky, like trying to see. Oh yeah. Right?
Oh my god, these look amazing.
Those look really cool. That
looks sick.
those look really
Oh my god.
Yeah. So like this background is insane. Perfect. Yeah, can I look to your right too? Like, what's over there? Yeah. The right. Yeah. Whoa. So this camera is completely covered in water, so it's gonna look a little hazy, but Joshua Manila is all about the dreamy vibes, so it's okay. But we are gonna go grab the umbrellas again. We just shot by this really cool tree, and Mikayla's been recording the whole time. She's gonna take some photos kind of by the river. I think we're gonna walk up to the top of this hill, kind of get the meadowy vibes with the whole background, and then I don't really know the plan after that, but
We're vibing.
stay tuned. How are we liking these photos, Wisteria?
I'm obsessed as always.
She's obsessed as always. Gosh, you guys, she's crazy. Content creator right here, recording the vlog and taking photos.
No.
Look how cool.
It's pretty stunning.
Okay, so we just shot by the river. We're gonna walk and go up there, see what that vibe is. But you guys, it's literally so Twilight vibes out.
It really is. Oh.
We ended up driving down the road a little bit to this other parking lot, but we're gonna go up this hill and get that crazy view right there. That is such a crazy view.
Yeah, it's stunning. Yeah, just like back and forth. Oh, beautiful.
Keep doing that, keep going,
This
keep
is so
going.
fun.
Yeah, wait, these are like an ad for something. Oh, no. Yeah. Perfect. Let's go. Yeah. Reach your arm to the sky. Yeah. Bring maybe your right. Bring your right leg back towards you. Wow.
Camera want to do a really close up?
Wait, can I just look at that? I'm like, why is it
Oh
so
my god.
bright?
What do you think?
Look up the sky again. Look like to your right now. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay, now close up.
Okay, keep doing that. I'm gonna get really close up.
For me? Yeah. Okay, we are at the last spot. We've kind of been at the same spot. We've been walking around. We're at the last spot of the location.
Oh, stunning. That is so pretty. Oh, I love.
Whoa, do that again.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. One more time. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to rotate it.
Oh,
And come back. Do that again, do that. Keep doing that, keep doing that. Yeah. And come up. Wow, this is stunning. I'm gonna get it behind the scenes right here. Left.
stunning.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, spin again, spin again. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah. I want to see if I can kind of get some grass and
Can you do a really big dramatic, like pull all your hair up and then let it fall?
oh yeah. Let's do that, and I want to get a close up on that. We got the good angle. That I can. So hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah. And I want to get one where you're like out of focus. Whoa! Wow! I'm gonna do it again, do it again, do it again. Yes. Wait, like literally, you feel camera out of focus.
Yeah, do that right with the back.
Wow. That's so
Can
cool.
you do like a
Okay, we just finished the photo shoot. The weather was not the worst, but definitely loving those twilight vibes. We got really cool photos of wisteria that you will all see on Instagram.
Everything went really well. We didn't get rained out, but there was a lot of mud. We had to trek through some mud. I loved it overall. I think that it's gonna turn out really beautiful, like always.
I had the best time. Didn't enjoy the mud, but overall everything was slaytastic. Would do it again. 10 out of 10.
All right, and that is a wrap.
Bye. Until next time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We had such a fun photo shoot. I'm super excited to edit these photos, and I will make sure to tag Mikayla and Wisteria, so definitely go check out their accounts. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.